Hi guys, I brought my new 4K Ultra HD Smart TV today. It's a Falcon Smart TV. As you can see, it supports 4K HDR and everything. So I'm going to show you how to unbox this thing. And we have here the instructions how to unbox. As you can see, you need two people. But today I'm going to show you how to unbox this using with just one person, that's me. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to use a screwdriver to first remove this sellotape. I'm gonna remove these pins. Okay, we have some styrofoam here. These must be the TV stands. I'll take them out. Place it here. Take this one out. Then we have the operation manual, RCA cable, power cord, and two batteries for the remote, and the mounting screws. I'll place it here. So we got the TV here, and I need to get this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a kitchen knife to cut the box open, and then I'm going to take the TV out. You got to be careful not to damage the TV. Separate a new knife so it cuts very smoothly. So I cut both sides. And just hold on to the TV so it doesn't fall. Okay. Now I'll cut the box. So I'm gonna take the TV out. And you have to be careful, you have to hold it from the frame. Now I'll take one side of the TV out of the foam. So I've taken the TV totally out of the packaging. Now I have this polythene cover, and Be careful not to let the TV fall. Remove the polythene. So you just need to be careful not to put pressure on the screen. Hold the TV from the frame. Okay, here we go. I've unboxed my 50-inch 4K smart TV. Thank you for watching.